bridge in our area. Once people hardly used to come here in order to enjoy the natural beauty, as there is no communication system in this area. But a couple of months ago, a bridge was built. Therefore, people can go one place to another easily. As you can see, the name of this bridge is Eklaspur Bridge, as the name of the place is Eklaspur. As you can see, there is a huge community live over there and a huge community live over there. Therefore, people can go one place to another with this bridge. As you can see, it's a beautiful bridge, and of course people of this area are very thankful to the authority for building this kind of bridge. This bridge is located over Dakatia River. As you know, Dakatia is one of the most famous rivers in this area in Chandpur, and people usually love to come here in the afternoon in order to enjoy the natural beauty of this place, and people love to sit here. As you can see, there is a system of seating, and people love to sit here with their close ones, and they love to spend their good time with their neighbors, with their family members. So I really love this environment. I usually love to come here in the afternoon. So if you people, especially people who live in Chandpur or close to my hometown, can come here and can enjoy the natural beauty. It is truly a beautiful place. As you can see, the open sky, the blue sky, and I can see some green trees. I can see some banana trees, green coconut trees, and of course there is a mosque, a beautiful mosque over there. So the people who would like to perform their salat, they can go to the mosque to perform their salat. So we are really thankful to the people or to the authority who built actually this bridge. Thank you.